Hello, my name is Bryce Weiskell, and on behalf of our web media and Denoised, we would like to thank you for your recent purchase of the KingSize WordPress theme. Today we're going to walk through a series of tutorials, but in this first tutorial we're going to walk through the basics. Not a lot of authors will address how to install WordPress, and depending on the hosting environment you're in, it's going to vary very differently. So from one environment to the next, you may have pre-installed scripts. You may have to install WordPress yourself, which you can go to wordpress.org and download WordPress and read the instructions there. In our instance here, we're going to be using Foxy Hair Services as our hosting provider, and we're going to use the pre-installed WordPress that comes part of Softaculous. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to log into your cPanel account or hosting control panel. And in our instance, we have Softaculous. So we're just going to click on Softaculous. It's going to open up the interface for the various installations. And what we're going to do is we're going to click on WordPress Install. And you can set up all the settings here. So choose the protocol, what kind of URL we're going to be using. In this case, we want www.KingSizeTheme.com. We're going to install it in a directory called Demo. For security purposes, it's always advisable to rename your database to something unique, as well as the table prefix. This is standard WP underscore. Generally, you want to change it to something unique. So in this case, we're just going to use OWM. For the site name, easily we can change this to KingSize WordPress Demonstration. The description, theme installation and use. We don't have to enable multi-site because we aren't using a multi-site. Here we can set our username for the administrative account. Instead of using admin, you always want to use something unique. So in this example, we're going to use KingSize. And your password, you can set your password to whatever you would like to use. Generally, it's a good idea to randomly generate a password, something unique, hard to use. Change the email address. Select the language if you're not English. You can go to your advanced options, which in this case we're not going to use. And of course, you can email your installation to somewhere to keep for record. And just hit install. So it'll take a second to install WordPress. It's all straightforward, does it itself. There's nothing more that you have to do other than the initial settings. So as you can see, WordPress has successfully been installed at KingSizeTheme.com/demo. The administrative URL is KingSizeTheme.com/demo/WPadmin. And all we have to do is click on the URL, and you've got your basic installation of WordPress. Now, next tutorial, we're going to discuss how to install the KingSize WordPress theme and to explore some of the folders and files that you download from ThemeForest. But for now, this was a quick overview of how you install WordPress, as we do receive a lot of questions from our buyers. And hopefully this gives you some general insight. Thank you for your time, and we wish you all the best with your template.